How to remove account on Messenger. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, hold on to the Facebook app in your home screen. There at the top, you'll find app info. Click on app info at the top. Here, click on storage and cache. Click on clear storage and clear cache. After you've done that, open settings. Here, search for your accounts. There you'll find Messenger. Simply click on Messenger and click on Remove Account. After you press on Remove Account, your account will be removed. Now, what you need to do is go back to your home screen, click on Messenger, hold on to it, and click on App Info at the top, Storage and Cache, which is the third option. Click on Clear Cache and Clear Storage. And after you do this, you're good to go. This is how to remove account on Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.